Hello friends, hi, I'm Dr. Anuradha Palta from Ranchi, Jharkhand, India, and today I'm going to talk about suicide, the causes of committing suicide. And suicide is a Latin word which means self murder, and there are various causes for committing suicide. The foremost cause is a personal cause, which you can see a person has a poor insight and he is unable to take any decision. His self-esteem or self-efficacy is very low, and then such persons, even this can be one of the cause. Another cause is a biological cause where a serotonin level concentration, that is 5-HIAA, goes very down, and it has been seen and researched that patients with less serotonin level or concentration committed suicide within no time. And another cause can be a genetic cause, which can be seen in twin studies, that when one twin committed a suicide, the other twin also committed suicide within no time. And there can be some social causes, such as the personal relationship or a poor interpersonal relationship with friends or our personal family members, or very chaotic family life, and there is no support from the family life or a family, and this can be one cause. And other social causes can be the person can be unemployed, and maybe his employment status is very poor, and or there can be social causes can be a divorce or a breakup, or any death of some your person who close to you. So there are many social causes to it, and there are mental causes or the psychological causes. There is a feeling, or you have grown very hopelessness has set in your life, and you are either you are a personality disordered person, or you having some personality issue, or you are schizophrenic, or there can be some other mental causes or psychological causes. These people are more prone to committing suicide. And we can see that a parasuicidal behavior, that is means self-mutilation or self-harm or cutting of the skin or self-injury, if that behavior is there, or you are seeing a person is taking too much of substance or a drug, or too much of substance abuse is there, or there is a use of drug, or a lot of alcohol use is there, so that all might lead to suicidal tendencies or might lead to suicide. So friends, there is a need to take care of your near and dear ones and your friends, and whoever is having these symptoms or causes of suicidal tendencies in their life. You should help them, and please give them support or take them to some therapists. And you have to be very careful that people who are having these symptoms like emptiness, or they are extremely they're researching on some suicidal ways or something of late, so you have to be very careful about this, and you have to take care of them. And it's a request that never ever commit suicide, because suicide has become a major public health problem, and people are very worried. And as it is, because of the lockdown and this pandemic scenario, the whole world is undergoing a lot of stress, and people have become very anxious, and there is no mental balance in their lives. So it's a request that please take care of your mental health and yourselves, and don't take such hard steps or such as drastic steps of ending your life or committing suicide, because once a person commits a suicide, he leaves a devastating legacy behind for their loved ones. Please don't do that, and take care of self, and please mentally be strong, so that your communication is better in your life, and you can talk about your problems and share your problems. Thank you.